ka Mount Olive Culinary and Hospitality Management Shillong ka khot admission haki professional courses prepare ya ka jingtip ka ba khamnya lecture ka city office 100 Academy ha malki.
Frank Motors, authorized dealer of Tata Motors PV, is now open at Lightcorny, Shillong. We are here to offer you India's most safest cars and to ensure you to get the most out of owning a Tata vehicle.
Ulam panggi ïingdorbar thawan yu ba met ba lingdo ulam maham ban chim daga pateng e persha yu MLA ka Nationalist Congress Party na NCP na gambigre u Saleng A Sangma lada udang pynmih biang ye ki ktien ki belong persha ya ki ïingdorbar thawan hakasi ba a jongka dorbar sendai ulam pang ulap ha wengno ya ki ktien maham hapoh ka dorbar ka blakren u Saleng A Sangma hakapor ba yishim benta ka jinga tai hlor ka jinglong jingman ki surok bar ka jing theng ki kali bar ki jing bambot ye ki kendon nyai kali haslong batura uba medba ulo ong bakani kamde shu kasin kabeningkong ba udkhot lani usaleng ba ulo penun kami kini ktien bami hap hapoh ka dorbar par la hap ru ban pha weng ha katu kapor ya ka jingkren ka jong UMLA.
I would like to inform you that yesterday I had given a ruling of expansion on the Rule 304 of certain words used by Sri Saleng A Sangma MLA. I would like to remind the honourable member that this House has a rich tradition of conducting its business in a decent and dignified manner. Therefore, it is our responsibility to uphold this tradition and be cautious in the use of any unparliamentary words and language used inside the House while participating in any debate or discussion. This is not the only time that the honourable member had used such unparliamentary language. And I had to give a ruling for expulsion from the House, even on earlier occasion. I am taking a very strong exception of the action of the honourable member, and strong action will be taken by the House to the honourable member any further repetition of such action in future. This is my ruling.